Happy birthday! Lolo, happy birthday! Hey, happy birthday!
Anong wish niyo para kay Lola?
We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday.
Christmas ka.
Please, did you receive my email? I hope you did, so you can give me my view what I wanted. Please, Lolo, come back home. Like last time.
Ano pa?
Next Christmas.
And give her what you want.
Anong bigay niyo kay Lolo?
Video.
Ano pa?
Please, receive this. Receive this message.
Anong kumusta school niyo? Kwento niyo kay Lolo.
School is
Okay lang.
fine.
Ano? Wala kang ginawa
Our
sa school?
exam was very easy in the second quarter.
Exams, easy.
Yeah.
Bakit?
Because I have no idea.
Nag-aral kayo?
Yeah, of course. Very hard.
Very hard.
Not really.
Ano pa?
This girl, Lolo, give her what you
Saan kay
want.
galing Selena?
Kagaya.
Anong ginawa niyo doon?
Ano? Iligan.
Ano ginawa niyo doon?
MSU.
Yes, yun yun.
Maria Cristina. Dami kami puntahan.
Tapos?
Punta din kami kay Lola Aman.
Kido, saan ka nagpupunta?
Nowhere. Nowhere at all. Yesterday, Davao Memorial, many games. I won in the Halloween party.
Saan?
Recreo. Ateneo.
Recreo.
Ateneo.
Sa Ateneo.
Third scariest.
Sino pala ang first scariest?
Kamatayan.
What was your costume?
Ano costume?
Doom. From ano good Fantasy 4.
Mm.
Kamatayan, Grim Reaper. Makeup.
Ano pa? Sige, magkwento kayo kay Lolo.
Well, we wish you
A Merry Christmas. We wish.
and I'd like you to come back home. I hope you stay here forever.
Bakit?
Spend time every weekend.
Tapos,
Bowling.
Yeah,
Ano pa?
Molly.
Ano?
And face us once a day.
ano pa? Nagpayat ka ngayon, kid.
No.
Did you gain weight?
I
Gain
gained
and
weight.
You gained weight? How much?
5 pounds. In 5 months.
How about you, kid?
I don't know.
You gained weight,
only,
right?
only
What exercise do you do?
only made
Ano?
bruises.
Hand exercise.
Hand exercises only.
Bruises. Running.
Good job, bruises. Where did you run?
Dito. I was sit on the table na press. Takot. And running, walking.
Nag-badminton kayo?
Friends.
Friends lang. Dati Selena, anong exercises mo?
Nothing because you need to gain weight.
Ano yun? Sa baba yung ganyan.
Yung stationary, stepper.
Instead of exercising, you buy Tita Ana a sauna belt.
What's a
For-
sauna belt?
You wear it on your belt, you plug it in, or I don't know, then you just turn the heat and your fat will drip.
Really? You should buy one for yourself.
Meron.
Meron
it was,
ka?
It was fake, then nasira diretso.
Ano ang natunaw? Wala, hindi binili.
Yung sauna belt.
Hindi man ako pwede maggamit kaya masunog ito eh.
Ano pala yan?
Masunog yung dito ko. Oh my God.
Sabi mo nagamit ka noon.
You're recording everything.
Of course. So, Lolo will like to hear man.
Nagdigos din kami kahapon.
Anong ginawa niyo doon?
Dagat.
May dagat pala sa Digos.
Ganda masyado. Kahit na ano, itim yung sun.
Lolo, question. I hope you answer this in reply. If your son has a son, how is he related to you?
Grandson!
Sabihan niyo si Lolo na magpadala din siya ng video.
Lolo, please bring a video.
Bring a video. Mag-post din siya ng video.
And post a video in...
Sa YouTube.
Lo, add mo ako sa YM.
May YM pala si Lolo?
What's YM?
Ay, naman ko pa.
What's YM? What's YM?
Parati lang add requested pending.
What's
Ah.
YM?
Wala sigurong YM si Lolo. Sige,
Hindi siya
mag-YM na yan si Lolo.